The silver gull, a native Australian gull found widespread across the country, is commonly found loitering near shores and beaches, as well as lakes and ponds. This seagull's distinct silver wings with black tips and white body distinguish it from other Australian species of gull. Adult birds can grow up to 45 centimeters in length and display a bright red beak. Older birds tend to have brighter beaks than younger ones. This gull is using its beak to groom itself, a common behavior among many animals. A food fight! Seagulls live in large groups and are therefore very territorial and protective over their food. Gulls will often use these aggressive vocalizations in order to defend their territories. They bow their heads and maintain low, growl-like caw as a warning to other seagulls. This is known as a long call and is commonly used as a threat. Another common call is the mew, which is used by gulls in order to call for help or support from another gull, and arrives in a series of sharp, short calls coming rapidly, one after another. This tag team failed to snatch their food, and the seagull doesn't seem to be very happy with its partner in crime. Better luck next time. This seagull is on the search for food, maybe. In order to find insects from underground, seagulls will routinely stamp into the ground to imitate rain. This will draw the insects from their burrows. Gulls are also capable at finding food at sea since they're able to withstand long journeys out in the ocean. This male may not have found food, but it may have found some company. A mate, perhaps? To signal a readiness to mate, a male would stand on the back of the female. Seagulls and most male birds don't have penises. Both the males and females have an internal chamber that ends in an opening called the cloaca. As the male mounts the female, their cloacas rub. This female doesn't seem interested. Usually the female would move her tail feathers to expose her cloaca, but this male has been rejected. This doesn't stop the male from forcing himself onto her, however, and the female has no choice but to flee. Seagulls are monogamous, so this mate might be taken.